Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers, 718-380-0006.
He showed that our diversity of being able to help somebody with a co-op to be able to consolidate their debts, get cash out. That isn't so easy. We were able to do it for her, and there's a lot of people listening who have co-ops who think they can't refinance. There's a lot of people who have a lot of things they don't think they can refinance. So did you know that a lot of people who have second homes in Florida and other states think they can't refinance?
Yep.
People have investment properties at all, even locally, don't think they can refinance?
Yep.
They should be calling, don't you think?
I think they should call right now, especially with you in the building, Scott Siskin, especially the fact that you have access to all programs when it comes to real estate financing. So, folks, what are you waiting on? I mean, I know the phone lines are red hot right now, but still call. If you're getting a business signal, call 718-380-0006. But call us right now in the studios. We've got two numbers that we're giving you, and I want everyone to call 718-325-5555. I don't care how much trouble you're having with some other entity, all right? No, don't worry about that. Fine, you wanted to go that direction? Not a problem. But First Republic Mortgage Bankers would like to speak with you. We've got what's called a risk reversal program. You go over there even for purchasing or refinancing, whatever you did. You have some incidental cost. We, right here at Link Up Media and First Republic Mortgage Bankers, will refund you those incidental costs at closing. Because I know for a fact that First Republic Mortgage Bankers can do better than all those entities that's out there. Make your phone call right now, right here. The number, 718-325-5555. Why should you keep $5, $10, $15, $20, $30,000 or more in expenses? Why not get rid of it? You are a homeowner. Make the phone call. 718-325-5555. And also you can call 718-324-LINK. Make the link right now. And of course, Scott Siskin, he just picked up like 50 tickets over there at the studios. I don't know what he's planning on doing with them, but I just get a funny feeling that he's also giving them away. Yeah, because we gave it to him. And you know, the guy rarely ever shows up for the reggae festival, but he always give it to his people over there. All compliments of us. So Scott, do you want to speak with these folks right now or what?
Yeah, I want to tell people to take action. Stop being in a malaise. Don't allow yourself to just sit there and, oh, God, I'm getting killed. If you're a homeowner, one of the silent majority, the people out there paying their bills, owning a home, suffering from credit card debt, and everything it does to your personal economic situation, and you haven't taken action yet to get the facts, I want you to call right now. 718-380-0006. I'm really reaching out to you. I want you to call. I want you to get the facts. There are no obligations whatsoever. Take advantage of your ability to utilize our resources as a direct lending banker, government approved, to be able to put it at your disposal right here. And I'll tell you something, Squeeze. Not only do we crush the local people and the mortgage brokers, but we also crush the big banks. You know why?
We have absolutely no prejudice against crushing.
Well, look at all the seminars we have. Look at all the seminars we have. Look at the time we spend on local radio reaching out to educate people. Why do you think that those big banks, national banks, don't have the resources to do seminars at local churches?
But let me say this to you, Scott. The reason why I personally, with my entity, align ourselves with you, man, is because and folks, I'm a money guy. Everybody knows I'm a straight up money guy. Money runs business. That is what runs business. Don't let anybody fool you or pull any wool over your eyes. If you don't have money, you can't run business. You can't run business without money. Yes, you have to have it, or we can't have the news. We can't have the glutens. We can't have the music here on this station. Money runs business. But let me just say this much, man. Sometimes as a business owner, you have to be extremely smart. Mr. Scott Siskin is extremely smart. You want to know why? And why I align myself with this entity, folks? And as long as they keep doing that, I will keep aligning myself. Because you go to other institutions. One, they can't quote rates. Some of them who quote the rates, meaning the big banks, some of them do, okay? The interest rate is not as low as First Republic Mortgage Bankers. Now, I can't afford to pay a point more. I can't afford that. Because that might mean $200, $300, $400, $500 more a month. I cannot afford that. So that's the reason why I personally say, you know what, man? I just want to save some money. As much money as I can possibly save, I'm going to go with that institution. And as long as they give me the right loan, meaning a 30-year fixed, I'm going to go with them. A 15-year fixed, I'm going to go with them. And the guys at First Republic Mortgage Bankers, they take a full analysis of your credit profile and you, where the money is coming from, how it's being handled, your expenses. They take every single thing in consideration. They sit down with you and they treat you more than just a family member. They treat you like you're a member of a church. Yes, the member of the family. But you got to make the call and find out. Get the facts. I'm getting back to the music. Scott's getting back to the music. Scott's going to give you the phrase that plays. But right now, call and speak with us off the airwaves. And let us show you how we can eliminate your debt. Annihilate those credit card bills. 718-325-5555. We're licensed in Florida. We're licensed in Georgia. We're licensed in New York, Connecticut, New Jersey. We're licensed in South Carolina, North Carolina, Pennsylvania, Maine, Delaware, Maryland. Folks, make your call.
Colorado.
Right now. Here's the number. Colorado. Yeah. Colorado. Maybe one day I can own a ski lodge out there or something like that.
At the rate you're going, I'm sure you will. The one thing I want to tell people before I say the phrase that plays is, when you call here, one of the benefits you get in comparison to the big banks is, first of all, when you call the big banks, you're possibly going to end up speaking to somebody on another continent who doesn't understand. They're basically going to take information from you at a call center, and they're going to forward it back to somebody, and maybe a week later, somebody who has a brain might even call you. When you call here at First Republic, everything is here. We're not outsourced. We do everything under one roof. 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York. We process, approve, and close. And, no mortgage broker can do that for you. I cut out a part of that statement that I use all the time. But if anyone wants to hear it, they should listen to Gil Bailey, because I still say it on Gil Bailey.
Once again, folks, eliminate the middleman.
Yes.
Remember that, folks. Eliminate the middleman. Because if you have a middleman, it's factual. All right? If you have a middleman, you are paying more. All right? And that's a fact. All right? So once again, folks, make the phone call. At least get the facts, get the knowledge, speak with someone. Then you can walk away and do whatever you want to do. All right? 718-325-5555. And Scott just noted at the rate at which I am going, hey, it may happen in Colorado. What is he talking about? Is he talking about purchasing in this here economy and what's going on? And do we have affordable housing? I want to agree with that. It is true. So here's what we're going to do. When we come back after this music sweep, we're going to talk about purchasing. And yes, we're going to continue on refinancing. But right now, folks, make the phone calls. Bottom line is, if you're looking for money to buy your house or refinance right now at a very low interest rate, First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a no-brainer. 718-325-5555. Scott Siskin, the phrase that plays.
Here it comes.
Just the facts, ma'am.
Wake up. Sex certified number one. All right, cool. Wake up. Please all. Others just follow.
Really?
First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Florida, Delaware, Maryland, Georgia, South Carolina, headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York.